so powerful.
This is a Damon Yorkman Black. Actually, it's a male Sims that Damon was breeding. And Damon accompanied us to buy in Oklahoma and Tulsa. The breeder they called Dave Smith. Doon ko po nabili ang father nito. Recommended by Damon. He helped me choose this bird. He's very good to cross with clarets, no? At saka, maganda na pong labas dito ngayon kasi high station na siya. No? High station na super yung black ng eyes niya. There, oh. Black eye. Male Sims black. Yeah. Ito po, dink fair din ito na sweater pero he's a golden boy. The golden boy sweater of Dink Fair. Ganon din po. 18 to 20 months old. There. Ganda po. The usual typical sweater looking chicken. Golden boy of Dink Fair. This is a pure lemon, dark. This is pure gold. He's the candidate for December 17. And that's another gold brother. Yan. Stag po yan. Local banded. Here's another Gilmore. Gilmore hatch. Pure yan. We're fighting pures. That's another dark lemon. This is a Cecil Davis Spencer. And this is another dark lemon. All of these chickens are for December 17. Cecil Davis. Prepared here in the farm of Ren Watson. This is a 20 months old pure possum sweater, black water, Carol Naismith. Possum sweater po. There. It is traditional white streamers, yellow leg, long thigh, very thin legs, maliit yung ulo, and then super red eyes. There. Possum sweater of Carol Naismith. This is our 5K sweater, Dink Fair. This is an old line po. This is circa 1998 pa po ni Dink. Ito po yung newest 5K sweater line ni Dink po. This blends perfectly well with our pure lemons because the lemons are intelligent fighters and extraordinary cutting abilities. Ito naman pa yung mga 5K po, angat, multi-shufflers, and then syempre high station. That's Dink Fair's old time 5K sweater. One of Dink's best sweater line is Golden Boy sweater. Dink's Golden Boy sweater po. 18 to 19 months old. Perfect to cross with the lemons, the Gilmores, the McLeans, the Leapers. This is a good combination. The big boys are popularly using this combination. This Golden Boy sweater cross to hatches. Dink Fair's Golden Boy. This is a Harold Brown Blue Face Hatch. Harold Brown. One of the best hatches in our sport today. Old time, old reliable, so powerful and strong and fast hitting chicken. This is an Harold Brown Blue Face Hatch po. Perfect. Yeah. Good body config.